Okay. And
Mhm.
now we've got our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. We've got demo time. Scripture coding demos to perfection. Well, of course, that's something we don't never need to do because you're always perfect at our presentations. But uses VS Code extension, no typos, no missteps, just flawless, stress-free presentations every time. I feel like we need this.
Yeah, so it's a newer one. I admit it doesn't have that many downloads or 5 stars or anything else, but it does look kind of cool that you can basically, the VS Code extension has a demo time tab, and you can basically click each of the steps, just like you would do in a presentation, and it can run little scripts in your terminal. It can highlight code. As you click through, it'll open different pages, and like open to a certain line, it'll highlight blocks of code for you to, show. So it's kind of like a more, developer friendly demo. So, and apparently it's not too hard. They have some example usage in here and some of the steps as well. Yeah. So you can tell it where to position the cursor and how to write code out to line. So you can actually have it basically typing out your examples line by line using this, so you don't have to mistype when you're doing your live coding. So it has, wait for inputs and wait for timeout options. And yeah, you can execute VS Code commands as well, show info messages.
Around internally to the team for when they're working on their presentations.
Yeah, and it's something new. I haven't actually used it yet. I just saw it and thought this looks pretty cool. But, you can actually highlight stuff in your files. This is kind of cool too. It'll actually blur out the other items, so you pay more attention to it. But yeah, it seems like pretty decent documentation. And here's an example file to play with as well. So, but yeah, it's kind of a neat little one I thought would be worth sharing. And yeah, if it does work, we can maybe use that for our presentations at ITB. So if not, we can contribute back to them too, try and get it working. But I was pretty excited about that. So
Nice.
there you go. So demo time, VS Code extension.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.